There is nothing quite like eating a fresh, vine-ripe tomato, straight from the garden. Tomatoes are very easy to start from seed. Sow seeds indoors about 6 weeks before your last frost date. Start with a good quality, sterile potting mix. You can also use a seed starting mix if you like. First, you must add water to your potting mix to moisten it. But not too much, just enough so that the soil sticks together. Mix it well, until you can form a ball and it does not fall apart. I like to use a 72-cell seed starting tray, but you can use whatever size tray that you prefer. Now add the moistened soil to your starter tray and gently pat the soil into the cells. You want to remove any air pockets in the soil. Place the seeds into your hand and plant 2 seeds per cell. Planting 2 seeds will increase your chances that at least 1 seed will germinate. Lightly cover the seeds with soil. Water lightly with a plant mister or a few drops of water in each cell not to disturb the seeds. Cover your newly planted seeds and put the tray in a warm place about 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. A heat mat works well, but if you do not have one, the top of your refrigerator could work as well. Check seeds daily to make sure they do not dry out. Once seeds have sprouted, take the cover off and place tray under a grow light or in a sunny window. Wait until your seedlings have at least 2 to 3 sets of leaves before feeding. Tomatoes, like many annuals, are heavy feeders and do better when provided with plenty of nutrients to grow through the season. Replant tomato seedlings that are about 4 to 6 inches tall and not yet ready for the garden, into larger pots. Plants can continue to grow steadily until they are strong enough to grow outdoors by being potted up. When the last spring frost has passed, around the middle of May, it's time to plant your tomato seedlings outside. Choose a sunny spot with at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day and wind protection. Take your plants outside for a few hours at first, then longer each day to help them get used to their surroundings. Tomatoes do best in fertilized soil that has light, well-drained, and high in humus prior to planting. Tomatoes can be grown in flower beds or in the vegetable garden. They are delicious and decorative at the same time. The deeper you plant your tomatoes, the better. Tomatoes need a deep planting hole to develop strong, healthy roots. Keep your plants watered and fertilized, and you will be harvesting delicious, ripe, homegrown tomatoes in about 2 months.